So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find 55 and older community rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select your location. I will use New York City for this example. So once the location is selected, I want you to go to the filters bar right here and go to where it says more. Press on that. Then I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says specialty housing and make sure that 55 plus community is selected and then press on view results. Now, what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different listings that are considered 55 plus, or I guess 55 and older communities. So it's very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to find 55 and older community rentals on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.